Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mentored Learning. Today let's understand about Shaligram, the divine stone. Greater than progression text, understanding begins, glowing in reverence. What is a Shaligram? A Shaligram, or Shaligram Shila, is a naturally occurring fossil stone, typically found in the Gandaki River in Nepal, and revered as a manifestation of Lord Vishnu. Origins and mythic backdrop. According to legend, the river goddess Gandaki performed intense penance, and Lord Vishnu granted her a boon to reside eternally in her waters. Thus, the Shaligrams are considered divine fossils, formed over millions of years, and embodying Vishnu's presence. Spiritual significance. Shaligrams are worshipped in homes and temples as sacred icons believed to bring peace, prosperity, and protection, used in daily rituals, often accompanied by mantras like the Gayatri mantra, said to purify the soul and remove obstacles from one's spiritual path. Ritual practices often placed on altars with flowers, incense, and offerings can be worshipped even if cracked, as long as the chakra mark remains intact. One Shaligram is ideal. Odd numbers are avoided, except for 1 or 12. The Shaligram is a poetic symbol in itself, ancient, sacred, and quietly powerful. Whispers from the river, the story of Shaligram. From the womb of Gandaki, a stone awakens, etched by time, chosen by divinity. This visual is of a serene Himalayan riverbed with glistening stones, one Shaligram resting in the flow. In the sacred waters of Nepal's Gandaki River, nature carves a mystery. The Shaligram, no sculptor's hand, no artisan's touch. Just the quiet spiral of eternity, marking Vishnu's presence in stone. In the sacred waters of Nepal's Gandaki River, nature carves a mystery. The Shaligram, no sculptor's hand, no artisan's touch. Just the quiet spiral of eternity, marking Vishnu's presence in stone. The chakra within, a Shaligram resting on a lotus leaf, floating in a calm water bowl under moonlight, with soft incense smoke curling in the background. The spiral glows gently, surrounded by a sacred aura. No temple too grand, no ritual too small. The divine resides where devotion dwells. Here you see a visual of a brass plate with the Shaligram placed on a soft tulsi leaf, a diya glowing beside it, marigold petals scattered gently, and a child watching quietly from the side, learning through presence. Worshipped in homes, held in palms, the Shaligram asks for no grandeur. Just presence, just prayer. Greater than it purifies, protects, and reminds us, God is not distant, but quietly near. What was once ritual becomes rhythm. What was once witnessed becomes remembered. Here a child is seen sitting by the window at twilight, holding a tulsi leaf or gazing at the Shaligram placed on a small cloth. The diya flickers nearby, casting shadows on the wall, perhaps forming a spiral or chakra-like pattern. In the quiet after prayer, devotion lingers, not in words, but in breath. Greater than the child carries the memory, not as instruction, but as rhythm. Echoes of devotion. The child sits quietly on the terrace at twilight, gazing toward the moon. The Shaligram rests in a brass bowl beside her, glowing softly. A diya casts a spiral shadow across the tiles. The offering of silence. Here, silence offers its final glow. The Shaligram rests alone on a soft cloth. The diya has burned low, and only its smoke curls upward. A tulsi leaf lies untouched beside it. A folded prayer cloth and closed book evoke quiet completion. Tradition lives in stories, in silence, in shared moments. Greater than if this journey touched your heart. Greater than like, share, and subscribe, to keep the rhythm alive. In gratitude and grace. As the diya glows gently beside the Shaligram, I thank all my viewer for joining this journey of devotion and memory. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.